Ever wondered why all the continents seem to huddle together on one side of the Earth, leaving the other side almost entirely covered by the vast Pacific Ocean? It's a geographical quirk that's both fascinating and a little mind-boggling. When you glance at a map, it might seem like land masses are evenly spread across the globe. But here's where it gets intriguing. If you spin a globe and focus on the Pacific, you'll realize just how much of our planet is dominated by water. Flip it to the other side and you'll see Africa, Europe, and Asia clustered together, almost as if they're clinging to each other. So why this uneven distribution? And this is the part most people miss. It's all about the supercontinent cycle, a geological dance that's been shaping Earth for billions of years. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this clustering just a temporary phase? Or is it a hint of something bigger in Earth's future? Let's dive in. The story begins with Pangea, the last supercontinent that existed over 300 million years ago. If you've ever noticed how perfectly the eastern coast of South America fits into the western coast of Africa, you're witnessing the remnants of Pangea's breakup. But Pangea wasn't the first. It was just one in a long line of supercontinents that have formed and fragmented over Earth's history. Before Pangea, there was Gondwana, and even earlier, there were others whose names aren't as well known, but played equally crucial roles in shaping our planet. Here's the kicker. Continents aren't static. They're constantly on the move, driven by the slow but relentless forces of plate tectonics. Every 300 to 500 million years, these landmasses come together to form a supercontinent, a colossal landmass that covers at least 75% of Earth's total land area. Right now, we're still dealing with the aftermath of Pangea's breakup. The Atlantic Ocean is widening, pushing the Americas away from Europe and Africa. But the continents haven't yet achieved an even distribution, and they might never will. Here's a thought-provoking question. Could the current clustering of continents be a prelude to the formation of the next supercontinent? Scientists predict that in about 250 million years, a new supercontinent, dubbed Pangea Proxima, could emerge. But until then, the Earth remains a big blue marble, with the Pacific Ocean dominating one side and landmasses huddled on the other. From orbit above the South Pacific, our planet appears as a deep blue sphere, a stark contrast to the pale blue dot we often imagine. So, the next time you look at a globe, take a moment to appreciate the dynamic nature of our planet. The continent's current clustering isn't random. It's part of a grand geological cycle that's been playing out for billions of years. And this is the part most people miss. It's a reminder that Earth is still very much alive, constantly reshaping itself in ways we're only beginning to understand. What do you think? Is the current distribution of continents just a phase, or is it a sign of something bigger to come? Let's discuss in the comments.